Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to scrape resin out of a pipe using a paper clip. So all you need, just a paper clip. So you're going to want to straighten it out first, kind of get it like this. Once you've gotten it kind of straight, you'll kind of want to make a bend on one side and make a little bit of a bend on the other side to get a little bit of a grip. And then from there you kind of just push it up on the sides, which because of the bend you can do very easily. Just push up, and then when you pull it out, you'll have the resin chilling. And from there, take the resin and you put it on a piece of paper, whatever you're storing it on. And just by repeating this process a little bit, you can actually end up getting quite a bit. If you've never done it with the pipe before and you're having a hard time hitting your pipe, guarantee you're going to get a lot. All you need is a paper clip. And you'll start to get globs like this going, and that will get you very high. That's pretty much all there is to it. Once you got the resin, you just pack it in the pipe the same way you would with flour. You're good to go.